Market recap. No trades taken today. This is my 1/8/2025 market recap. No trades. Let's go over why we looking for sales. What was the reason to the sales, right? On the weekly, ERL to IRL, right? On the daily, where we're going from a daily short term looking to the downside. We had premium area right over here, discount area, right? So daily, we go from daily ERL to IRL, IRL to ERL, daily CRT to the downside. Another daily, we're in a premium region, right? So the next drawn liquidity for the daily range will be the downside. So that's why we're looking for sales. And that made more sense than a long one because, as you guys know, there's a short term liquidity and a long term, right? Let's go to the 4 hour. Short 4 hour time frame. We had a huge range, by the way. We had a very huge range. So high likely of the market ranging in the next session would be high likely like this, right? You can see how London session ranged a lot. London session like range did a big ass range, right? You can see London session did a big expansion with the 5 a.m. candle as well, right? You can see that how the 9 a.m. candle was looking like, right? It ranged a lot, right? You can see how they ranged. And same thing here. The 1 a.m. candle expanded, the 5 a.m. candle expanded, the next, 9 a.m. candle ranged a little bit, right? So that was highlighted to happen because market did a huge expansion. I was looking forward to the 5 a.m. being a little retracement, but you know what I'm saying? I don't decide where the market wants to go. Market go wherever you want to go. I just have opinions, right? And we had the model one right over here. I was looking for sales. I was looking for a near continuation, which I never had. It was just a consolidation, right? Market did probably met its strong liquidity already and just consolidated here, right? And let's go to the Ali. Ali time frame. I was looking for a near continuation to down here from this candle to the downside, right? You can see our 8 a.m. candle. This should have been our CRT, but it was unrealistic for the market to go over here because near continuation. Near continuation was just plummet down, right? Right after doing a hourly retrace, right? So we had hourly key level right over here. Hourly, we're looking like we're going from hourly IRL to ERL, right? So now go to the 5 minute for execution. I never had execution here. Never had my Model 1 entry, right? You can see right over here. This was it was not a legit high at the end of the CRT, so the market it still respected it. Guess what the market do? It disrespected it. And the people who took this other Model 1 were still had a loss because this right over here, this candle, is from a different candle range, right? So this candle would have not used this candle as well. So the market needs to go push out another high, which cannot be this size. It has to be this specific high or this side. Due to that, because why is it that? Because these are the high that press it out, right? This one has lower probability, this has a higher probability, right? So market needs to go back up over there, press it out. And the market hit the 855 candle. And I knew like 1150 candle. I was like, okay, this is not going to offer me a setup because I need to set up right I need to get into the trade right before 12 p.m. Right, you can see 11:55, 11:55 right over here. 12 p.m. candles right over here, right? So they're like, okay, the kill zone has ended. So people who took the short right over here, right out of this model number one, would have faced another loss, right? Because time comes before price, and you need to have the ability to adapt, right? In this case, I knew high likely it wasn't going to be a big day because market did a huge expansion already on the London session in the 5 a.m. candle of the 4 hours time frame. I was like, it's high likely to be a range, but you can see how we preserve capital. If we would have been a dumb trader who broke our rules, would have one loss here, another loss here, plenty of losses around here because they're not higher probability, right? And another loss right over here because we don't follow our rules, right? So you can see how we avoided a lot of losses. We avoided a low probability, right, through our rules, right? Yes, this may seem like you want to avoid trades, but it's for the good, right? And especially if you're a funded trader, right, you need to do whatever to take less trades because you're getting paid, right? If you're a challenge trader, you're gonna do anything to pass this challenge quick, right? But guess what? That's a bad habit, right? You want to be going slow, take the highest probability, have the ability to adapt, right? In this case, I had my ability to adapt. I was okay. This is high likely gonna be a lower probability. I'm not gonna take it, right? Lower probability. Then again, I'm not gonna take it. Okay, I'm done. My time zone is finished. I'm not taking no more trade, right? Gotta have the ability to adapt. Like I knew right after like market super this high is less likely to this candle right over here. I did not close below it, so it's gonna be less likely of it getting respected, right? The market did smashing back up. I was like, okay, it's highly likely not gonna go and respect us, right? You see, our bias was not wrong, neither was it correct. was just a rangy day, right? If I was our boss is wrong, if our boss was wrong, we have to be in a trade, right? In this case, this is just like whatever because we're not in a trade, right? So yeah, I'm looking for a kiss of death here. I'm looking for a KOD the next day, which is Thursday. Thursday is going to be a not a trading day for me because it's the day before a high major news, which is NFP on Friday. So I'm avoid Thursday, but Friday I want to see what happens, right? I might get a setup here or not. My only setup I had this week was just this scan right over here to the downside, which was a 5 a.m. candle trade. So at 5 a.m. I have to wake up. I had to wake up at 5 to take a trade. I woke up at 6 a.m. So I was like, oh yeah, that trade right there, I'm not even gonna take because I woke up at 5, I woke up at 6 a.m. Right? I set my alarm. Last time I had my setup at 7:15. This time I had my setup at 5 a.m. Right? So I was like, okay, let me. I'm gonna avoid this time. But yeah, I'm gonna try to wake up earlier at around like 5:30 a.m. But it's very difficult already because less sleep gets my brain like very foggy. Makes me less. It makes me more sleepy. Right? I don't want to sleep throughout the day. Right? Today I had to. I took a sleep. I took a nap. Right? But this is a trade recap. This is a market recap. Right? Order flow is bearish. We had no ranges here. We have no range dynamic. We were just looking for shorting here, right? You can see the market profile here as well. Market expanded, right? Reverse retracement expansion, right? Retracement expansion. There's slight little more retracement. This is the retracement, another expansion, another retracement, consolidation, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion. You can see how this key level wasn't strong enough for us to hold, especially we did not have the CIZ confirmation, right? And for a reversal, what is the confirmation for reversal? A CISD, and the CISD must have the CISD must be the right CISD, and you see the CISD got stopped out because it's not the right one. This one got stopped out because it's not the right one, right? So the market was constantly expanding, retracing, expanding, right? So yeah, that was our market profile. And how do you know what confirms a reversal? A CISD. What confirms a middle patient to end is CISD, right? What confirms a expansion is CISD, right? So yeah, thank you for watching. This is my market recap. No trades token. Have the ability to adapt. Take higher probability setups, right? Don't force a trade just because I didn't take a trade for a long time. You know how they say it. You believe what you unbelieve on, right? If you're what's it called it? If you believe in something, you believe it, right? So if I believe that I'm gonna be resty, right? If I don't take a trade like in a week, then I'm gonna be resty, right? If I don't believe I'm not gonna be resty, then I'm not gonna be resty, right? I'm saying, so you want to use that in your advantage, right? Don't believe that, if I don't take a trade in a week, I'm going to be rusty. I'm going to take bad trades. I'm going to forget my skill, right? Don't let that come in the way. That's why you got backtesting. That's why you got a backtest Saturday, Sunday. Saturday is a backtesting day, right? Go over the week. Don't believe in those stupid stuff, right? Don't believe on I'm gonna get rusty. Don't believe if I don't take a trade, I'm not gonna make it. The highest probability, the less you do, the more the less is more, right? Especially in trading, right? So thank you for watching. I'll see you the next trading day, which is Friday. Just make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys later. Join our Discord as well. Peace out.